Jai Hind students, we are going to study the measures of center tendency, chapter 5, the next portion mode. So it's part 3 video. So a question is shown here, you have to find a mode. So here it is shown to find a mode in different processes. So that is going to be studied here. So first the data given has to be arranged in it's that it's individual series, so individual series has to be arranged in ascending order. So the data have been arranged in ascending order. So how will you find more than most number of times a number which is repeating, that is known as what mode. So here 3 is repeating most number of times, so mode is equal to 3 is the answer. So mode is equal to the number of times a number repeated, that value is known as what, a mode. So here 3 is the mode. So next question, it's in discrete series. So how will you find the answer? So the marks obtained by 40 students out of 50 in a class are given below in the table. So here marks and number of students have been shown. So here marks have been stated as a x and number of students is stated as a f. So frequency and x is marks. So here 42, how many students 42 marks have been got? So it's 7 students. Here 36, how many students have got 10? Here 30 marks, how many students? 13. Here 45, how many students have got? 8 students. Here 50, how many students have got? 2 students. So the number of times this mark is repeating highest. So 13 times the mark is repeated. So the most number of times the mark has been repeated is 30. So the mode is equal to, we can say that it's a 30. So in x what the value lies, that is known as what, the mode. So mode is equal to 30 is the answer. So mode is stated as 30. So in continuous series, how will you find the mode is shown here. So here L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H is the formula for finding mode in continuous series. So if a question is given, find mode of following data. So age in years is given 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55. So as you know that the frequency that is occurring higher number of times, so that is marked as the mode. So mode value. So the corresponding value that is shown here, the lower limit has to be marked as per the formula as L. So the highest frequency, that is highest number of times it's occurring, it's marked as F1, and previous one is marked as F0, and the next one is marked as F2. So we are going to substitute the values in the formula. So next we have to find H. So H is equal to 15 minus 5. So here the difference between the two class interval is H. So it's a 10. So what's the formula for mode? So mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So it's the formula. So next is L equal to 35, that's marked here. Then F0 equal to 21 and F1 equal to 23 and F2 equal to 14. And then it's solved as 35 plus 23 minus 21 into 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14 into 10. So 10 is written here. Then 35 plus, you will subtract these two, you will be getting 2. 2 by 2 into 23, it's a 46 minus 21 minus 14 into 10. So 35 plus 2 divided by 46 minus 21, it's a 25 minus 14 into 10. So 35 plus 2 by subtracting these two you will be getting 11. So 2 divided by 11 into 10. So equal to 335 plus 20 by 11. So equal to 35 plus, we will be dividing both and you will be getting 1.8 is equal to 36.8 is the answer. So next question, the following data gives the information on observed times in hours of 225 electrical components. So class and intervals are given here, 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60. So like that it goes, and you have to find determine the mode of the following. So you have to find a mode. So how will you find mode? So what is the formula of mode? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into 1 into H, sorry. So this is the formula. So how you will be writing, where L is equal to, it's a lower limit of the model class, that is highest value occurring, and frequency F1 is equal to frequency of the model class, and F0 is equal to frequency of the previous model class, and F2 is the frequency of the next model class. So here model class is known as this marked portion. So this is the model class. So 61 is occurring highest model. So it's known as what? It's a model class. So 60 minus 80 is the 60 minus 80 is the H. So it's a model class, and here 60 is L, and F1 is 61, and F0 is the previous model class, it's 52. So that is written here. So F1 is 61, then F0 is 52, and F2 is 38. So next is we are going to find H. So H is equal to, it's a class size. So it's equal to 20. That is 60 minus 80. So mode, therefore mode is equal to 60 plus, substituting the values, you will be getting 61 minus 52 divided by 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38. So this is the substitute values, and into 20. 20 is H. So here you next 60 plus, will be getting 9 by, the whole solved answer will be 32 into 20. So then after solving this one, you will be getting 60 plus, dividing these both, and into this 20 you will be getting 5.625. Then adding these two, that is 60 plus 5.2625, you will be getting mode is equal to 65.625. So this is the answer you will be getting. Then you can just find another conclusion from that, as you had earlier stated that it lies between this model class, that is 60 to 80. So that is, you got an answer of 65.625. Hope you understand. Thank you students. If you have any doubts, please contact me. Thank you. So this chapter has been over.